Crystals are powerful in manifestations. My name is Ekam and I welcome each one of you in this YouTube channel Decoded Destiny, where we talk about spirituality, manifestation, and a lot of other things. I wear crystals. I love crystals. Okay. I have many of them. If I show you, we give it to the people who comes to us, okay, for the problems. But the thing is that are you using the crystals the right way? That is the problem, because there are C's, three C's and one I, which I call it as cleansing, charging, consecrating, and setting the intention, telling this thing how to work. It is just like that you tell your child how to walk, how to write. So same thing has to be done with the crystals. So why crystals are powerful tool? I'll say crystals amplify energy and help align your vibration. Every crystal is working on a different frequency, different alignment. Okay, and it is going to align with the frequencies of what you want. If this is uh, like walking on a frequency of attracting abundance or money, then you're going to get that thing. Okay, it is just how you use it. Also, it amplifies your energy and it helps you attract the abundance into your life or whatever you're wishing in your life through crystals. Also, there are many crystals for specific manifestation. Your citrine is there, pyrite is there, green aventurine is there for money, abundance, prosperity, tiger eye is there for confidence, removing evil eye, black tourmaline is there to fight negative energies, rose quartz is there to manifest love and heal your heart chakra, lapis lazuli is there for health and for third eye, the amethyst there is for intuition. So many crystals are there in this powerful world. Clear quartz is a crystal which can amplify anything and everything, which can be used by anyone. Okay, but make sure that a teacher suggests you what do you have to wear and how to wear. So amethyst, for example, for clarity and spiritual growth, as I've told you already, you have to cleanse and charge your crystal. I told you, cleansing, charging, consecrating, and setting intentions. These are the only things which you have to remember of working with the crystals. Okay, so cleanse and charge your crystals, meditate with them on full moon or new moon, carry them daily with you. Then write your intention on paper, place the crystal on top, okay, and just meditate with it. Put it in salt, then you can put under normal running water, then you can place it under full moon, then you can meditate with that crystal. You can keep it in the moonlight, you can also keep it in the sunlight. There are different crystals which has to be kept in the moonlight and the sunlight. Okay, so this things like any teacher of like if you're going to a person who is giving crystals, that will be told to you by them. Also, what crystals you are using in your daily life, let me know. And I will say crystals are really important only when you're taking inspired action, because if you're not taking inspired action, it's not gonna work at all. It's like I am giving you supplements, but you're not focusing on your diet, you're not doing any action, you are on the bed all the time, you're not working out, then the supplements is not going to work out, right? Similarly, crystals is just a supplement, just an add-on to increase your vibrational frequency so that you can manifest those things which you want in your life with the help of the frequencies of crystals. Because when you are having the frequency of the crystal, you can align with the frequency of God and the universe and get the things which you want in your life. So that it's that simple. Three C's: cleansing, charging, consecrating, and setting intentions. Is that needed? It's all what you need. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you. Take care. Stay happy. Om Namah Parvati Pate Har Har Mahadev.